If you want to find your recorded calls on your Android phone, follow the simple steps. So the first way of doing this is through your Recorder app. Locate your Recorder app. It's maybe hidden in the system apps or maybe somewhere on the home screen, and find your calls tab. So if you have any, they will be here. If you can't find them, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner and you can find this tab here. The second way is through your Dialer app. So open up your Dialer app, this is your phone app. Now here choose Recent, and you can find a phone number, right? And if you see a microphone icon near it, it means it was recorded. Yeah, easy as that. So you can simply tap on it to open up this menu. Now press this play button, and that's how you can listen to it. So to check whether you have this option or now, here in your Dialer app at the top right corner, press these three buttons, find your call recording, and make sure that you have this option on your phone. If you have it, it's great. Usually it's enabled automatically. Here you can choose whether to delete it. So you can press delete all recordings now, or you can choose when do you want them to be deleted, after 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. And basically that's it. To delete the recording, simply press delete all recording now, confirm your choice by pressing delete, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.